Usage of arithmetic operations on bool values true and false. In Python, there is such a feature: true and false can be added, subtracted, etc. Are there any examples where this can be useful? Is there any real benefit from this feature? For example, when it increases productivity, it makes the code more concise, without losing speed, etc.
While in most cases it would just be confusing and completely unwarranted to abuse this functionality, I'd argue that there are a few cases that are exceptions. One example would be counting. True casts to 1, so you can count the number of elements that pass some criteria in this fashion, while remaining concise and readable. An example of this would be, as mentioned in the comments, this could be accomplished via. But to use .count ... the object must be a list, which imposes a linear space complexity. Iterable may have been a constant space generator for all we know. Another case where this functionality might be usable is as a play on the ternary operator for sequences, where you either want the sequence or an empty sequence depending on the value. Say you want to return the resulting list if a condition holds, otherwise an empty list. Or if you are doing a conditional string concatenation. Of course, both of these could be solved by using Python's ternary operator. The point being, this behavior does provide other options in a few scenarios that isn't all too unreasonable. It's just a matter of using your best judgment as to whether it'll cause confusion for future readers, yourself included.
I would avoid it at all cost. It is confusing and goes against typing. Python being permissive does not mean you should do it.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.